you on?
Okay, we're starting.
You're on, okay. Well, here's inside this. This is threaded, and this is a 1-inch thread. Okay, but everything else is 3/4 inch copper piping. So what they were doing, and what Pat's doing over here, is Pat is making up the adapters that are going to go to that. She is it still hot? Warm. Okay. So she is going to make this is the 1-inch that's going to go into that station, but it has to adapt down to 3/4 inch. Now, one thing that we have to watch when we solder is that, and that's what we have to worry about, that doesn't get inside of this.
Show me that again.
You see that inside of there? That's a piece of solder that has to be cleaned out. Now, this could happen on any soldering, but yet we don't even know what's in there. So this one we're going to know it's there, and we're going to be able to clean it out. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, that was my mess. Well, yeah, I'm redoing it because I don't think the seal went. I didn't have a flex on it. So.
I mean, I can read it.
No, that's what I'm here.
You're just going to do another
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
And we need 2 of them altogether.
Yeah, and
One name I couldn't.
Should I tell you off camera that these are the wrong size?
Wrong size.
That's 3/4. Oh, you're in 3/4.
much better this time.
That's where we take it from.
I forgot to put the hockey puck.
And then what you want to do, instead of heating this, is heat the bigger part.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
And then you don't have to move it back and forth and stuff. Just go ahead and put it right on there. Now, John said
Okay.
he puts it on for a while, then he'll put it over here, but not back and forth. So go ahead and then go ahead and heat it up. Yeah, that's where you
See,
want
I'm
it.
not sure how close it should be.
Oh, you're fine. No, just keep it right here. All I'm going to do is just... Okay, go ahead and throw it away. Did it come out your end?
Yeah.
That's it.
There's a little bit over here. Yeah.
And then what you need to do, I have a magic marker. You put your initials on it. That's when we do the pressure. You can't deny it.
Let's see. My initials are. Jim?